Hey guys, so off the back of creating our difference in geometry for our rail sections, it's now time to turn our concentration to looking at our carcass sections. So currently these are going to be made out of 18mm plywood that we've specified. So it's fine. However, if we go to cut all of these out, we're left with this. If these are all one piece, we're left with this inner section that is essentially waste. Right? So it's a lot of waste in this project. I'm sure, like, it's a whole lot better than having whole sections, which is what the guys in the first example I showed you guys had, but we're better than that. We're better than that, and there's a way that, you know, through computation, we can split all these up, so that we can cut them separately and then put it back together for when we need to put them all on the section geometry, on the rail geometry rather. So let's get into that now. We're going to need two things that we've already calculated to start off with this. One is our 3D carcass polylines that we generated, where we turned the offset version into a polyline like that. So that's going to be there. And the other thing is we need the actual original carcass section, or outside carcass sections themselves. So I'm just going to put them here for later use. I'll probably use them in the next video though, I think. But anyway, for now, we'll start off with the polylines. So we kind of need to work out, well, I guess, here we go, this is what they look. Anyway, we kind of need to work out, compute where we're going to cut all these up. So let's do that now. By first turning them all into surfaces. And so what my overall strategy is going to be is get a point here, like the centroid, and then draw a circle, and then start to draw some cut lines out from there. We'll see how it goes. Surface closest point, and I'll be naughty and use area. I've already put it down, and it's not too computationally intensive. We could do something. Yeah, we need a centroid though, so yeah, we'll probably use that for now. And then let's evaluate. If I can spell it, evaluate surface at these, these UV points, which it conveniently provides. Great. And then what I'm gonna do is explode these curves out as well. Awesome. And then why don't we go, I know what I want to do. So I'm going to explode them all out, and I want the first cut curve to be like on the middle of the longest line. Just so we know, just so that, like, the first cut doesn't end up in a weird corner location. Not a crucial step, but like, what am I doing? Not a crucial step, but one to try and like make our workflow, or, you know, our solution is as robust as possible. Okay, and then there's that longest line. Awesome. And then curve middle, new favorite component, saves me evaluating the curve at 0.5, which is what I'd literally done for years. Let's start to draw some lines now between that one and the middle. It doesn't matter. We can do yep. And let's see how that looks currently. Yeah, but it's different for all of them, as we thought it would be. Okay. So now let's start to rotate these around. I'm going to turn that angles. Sorry, to degrees. And this is probably where one of our probably where one of... sorry. We'll have to remember a little bit about this location, because it's where we start to calculate how many sections we actually want to generate. So I'm going to do 4 for now. We could scale that back, but anyway. Cool. Okay, so what have I done here? 360 divided by 4 is it 90? Cool. And we're creating a series of numbers. It starts at 0, 90, 180, 270. Cool. So that first we're going to take this frame. Cool. So that's rotated, not much at all, but when we plug this in, it will rotate and copy it. Well, 4 times. Why don't we start with 3 and see how that looks? Around. Alright. That's not too bad. Oh, no. Okay. We have to pay attention because we need this to always be an even number. So that's for a later video. Cool. We could write a script for that, but I can't be bothered right now. There's more important things. Cool. What we now have to do is, I'm just going to be lazy again and scale these all from the same point, and we'll make a large factor, like 5. Cool. Oh, okay. 5's probably a bit overkill. Cool. So awesome. So what we're going to do in the next video is come through and start to cut them all at these locations. I'll see you then.